Hello there, this is a weather warning for Thursday night and Friday daytime. The Met Office and me are very concerned that there could be some severe disruption to southern England in the form of very strong winds. See here for more. This is Thursday night into Friday. The strongest winds are expected in the south of England. The Met Office is not sure the exact position that the strongest winds will take, but we think the strongest winds will be over northern France and southeast England. In this event, northern France will experience winds of 80 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour winds are expected to blow through the English Channel, affecting the coast of Kent, East Sussex, West Sussex and Hampshire. In the event that 70 miles per hour winds will hit the coast of Kent, Sussex and Hampshire, there is expected to be some damage to trees and perhaps some slates off roofs. And as you can see, 60 miles per hour further inland, affecting the regions sort of around London and Surrey. Further north there will be winds of just 50 miles per hour, which is still enough to take some twigs off trees. This is scenario 1, which we think is most likely to happen. So the main areas at risk are the coast of Kent, East Sussex, West Sussex and Hampshire. And now, in the less likely event, this is what could happen and the Met Office is concerned about. This is the second scenario, which is less likely but could happen. Here you can have a look. Hold on, just wait a minute. Okay, here it is. This is again Thursday night into Friday. We don't expect this to happen, but it is a possibility. I would say around a 30% chance that this could happen. And if this does, these kinds of winds get close to southern England, we could see some severe disruption, and I mean even threat to life, possible death in places. This could be the worst storm in the southeast of England since 1987, and I'm not exaggerating. The Met Office is very concerned as well. As you can see, 85 miles per hour winds will be likely across northern France. 90 miles per hour winds would affect the English Channel and the coast of Kent, East Sussex, West Sussex and Hampshire, and perhaps Dorset. And 80 miles per hour winds, still enough to cause severe disruption just a little further inland, for example London and the Surrey region. 60 miles per hour winds would be likely in the Midlands, and 50 miles per hour winds from the north of England. And if you can just see what I'm looking at now, if 90 miles per hour winds do hit the southeast of England, there will seriously be some extreme disruption, like many trees down, slates off roofs, chimneys possibly as well, and all sorts of trouble, and the roads will very likely be severely affected, and there'll be severe disruption on the trains, etc. And ferry services will definitely be cancelled, certainly from Dover to Calais. And like I say, this isn't the likely scenario, this is scenario number 2, which is what we're still keeping an eye out for. Because if this does happen, like I say, this will probably very well be the worst storm to hit the southeast of England since 1987. And of course, we need to warn you all about this, because we don't want anybody getting hurt. So just keep up to date with the weather by visiting metoffice.gov.uk or BBC Weather, because as I say, this is an ever-changing scenario. This could happen 90 miles per hour, but we think it will just be 70 miles per hour, which is still enough to cause some disruption. So keep tuned to the BBC Weather, radio and the Met Office. Thank you for watching, take care.